everyone, we're going to be replacing the rear wiper on a 2012 Mazda 5. In order to do that, you need to raise the wiper arm. So as it is, you can't because of this little cover on the end. You remove that cover by lifting the two gears on the end, and it pops right off. Once that comes off, you raise the arm. Now you'll see people removing the screw to do this. I don't recommend that at all. You just need to raise the arm, move the wiper out, and when you feel the pressure, keep pushing, and it'll pop right off. Like that. Get your new one. Line it up. Pop it back in. Line up the tabs on the cover. And you're all done.